This is a 2022 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. If you're in for the long haul, do some traveling in comfort and style, then this is the bike for you. The color of this 22 Ultra Limited is vivid black with black factory finish. And basically what that means is all the chrome is black. The bike has been blacked out from the factory. Everything from the fuel door to the handlebars, primary, saddlebag guards, engine guards, front forks, everything is blacked out, which gives it a cool look. Now this is a very low mileage 22 Ultra Limited. It has 2,389 original miles on the odometer, and the factory warranty is in effect till 12/31 of 24. Now, being the limited model, it comes equipped with the 114 cubic inch MILWAUKEE 8 engine, which is twin cooled, oil, air, and then liquid. Has plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque. This bike will get you and your passenger and your gear down the road and up and over the hills, power to pass. It is equipped with the RDRS system, which is a rider safety enhancement system from Harley Davidson. It has numerous ABS configurations, traction control, tire pressure sensors. So if you get in a tight spot on a corner, have to do some emergency braking, this bike will take care of you. Now this bike is in completely stock configuration. There's been absolutely nothing done to this bike. No accessories, so it's ready for somebody to turn it into their own bike. Being the limited model, it does come with the heated grips, cruise control of course, the GTS BOOM stereo system, which is AM, FM, Bluetooth, weather band. You can Bluetooth your device into this system, or in this compartment right here, you can put your device in there and plug it in and it will charge it, integrate it into the stereo system so you can listen to all your tunes. Has a nice big comfortable touring seat for you and your passenger, with a nice wraparound backrest for your passenger. Security system with a fob. Just a great all-around bike. Nice black Harley Davidson wheels, black front end. Just a very cool look, all blacked out. This bike is in excellent condition. Really nice paint job. The only flaw I found on this bike is here on the front forks. See if I can find it. Right there's a little bitty chip in the black front forks. Other than that, this bike is in just great condition. It does have the blacked out stock exhaust from the factory. Nice big TourPak. Luggage rack on top of it. It has a 12-volt power point in there, so you can charge an additional device. LED lights in the TourPak. Gives this bike a lot of visibility from the rear. It does have a LED headlight, LED driving lights, so you have a lot of visibility in the front. Just a great touring bike. You can jump on this bike and go to the West Coast or the East Coast tomorrow on it. market for a touring bike, check out this 22 Ultra Limited. You can save yourself thousands of dollars off of MSRP and the freight charges and the setup charges and the Harley touring bike surcharge. This bike is priced out the door with absolutely no additional dealer fees added. No mystery fees. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Give us a call and we'll help you put this beauty in your garage. Thanks for watching our video.